Hi friends, welcome to our channel Vinza Health Tips. We bring an awareness on health. Today's our topic is on balanced diet. This is a requested video by my friend. This is a huge topic but we make it short as much as possible for you. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and click on bell notification to get our new videos. Let's watch this video. A balanced diet is very important for your body to supply all the nutrients required to work effectively. Without balanced nutrition, your body is more prone to disease and infection. Now we see some rules to follow the balanced diet. First thing, how much calories do you need daily? Second thing, what is the best time to eat? Third thing is, what should we eat for every meal? Now watch this video till end. Recommended daily intake of calories per day. It is different for different individuals according to age, sex, height and also sedentary and active people. For example, in adults of sedentary or less work, men required 2000 calories and for women 1600 calories, and for active people, for men 3000 calories and for women 2400 calories. A balanced plate must be served with 45% of carbohydrates, 35% with proteins, 20% with fats. Because nutritionists say carbohydrates are the main source of energy for your body. Proteins helps your body to fight infection and also build and repair cells and tissues. A healthy fat can lower your risk of heart disease and stores vitamins and synthesis hormones. USDA recommends to divide your plate into 5 groups of foods. Half of your plate should be filled with fruits and vegetables, about 1/4 with grains, and again 1/4 with protein foods by adding dairy products like milk on the side. To obtain optimal fat quality, you can use a combination of vegetable oil for cooking. The thumb rule for balanced diet is don't fear trying different oils. It is suggested to have a good blend of various types of oils like olive oil, mustard oil, sesame oil, groundnut oil, butter and ghee occasionally. Depend more on unrefined or cold pressed oils. Most experts consider olive oil to be a healthy fat. Breakfast is your first meal in a day which should be taken 1.5 hours after your wake up. Coming to breakfast recipes, if you want to have a healthy nutritious breakfast, you should have a oatmeal with banana or apple slices, garnished with some almonds, walnuts. This is a complete food because oats have a higher nutritional value and also great source of fiber, keeps you fueled until lunch. Coming to South Indian food, we like to have dosa, idli, so you can make oats batter for idli dosa and serve with groundnut chutney, which is also rich in protein. You can also try oats as upma and also try wheat rava upma, which would be delicious. Whenever you are planning to make upma, you add vegetables like carrot, peas, beans, etc. and nuts like cashew, peanuts, so that you can fulfill the nutritional values in one shot. Another recipe is poha, which is a good source of carbs. By adding peanuts to it, you make them more nutritious. For vegans or vegetarians, sprouts is the best choice to have in breakfast. They have higher nutritional values, equivalent to meat, rich in protein, vitamins and minerals, and low in fat. To make them delicious, you can add some fresh vegetables and nuts to it and have them. Another recipe for breakfast of my choice is parathas with cup of curd or raita. Instead of making plain paratha, you can make aloo, palak, methi, carrot, beetroot, radish parathas. Taste is good, high in fiber, and eating with curd makes it proteinous too. Sandwich is also a best option when you choose brown bread as a carb and egg omelette or cheese or peanut butter as a protein. And you can add lettuce leaf or other veggies to it, and to the side a cup of milk makes your plate balanced with all nutrients in the morning meal or breakfast. Now we end up with the breakfast recipes. Coming to lunch, there should be a gap of 3 hours between lunch and breakfast. What should we eat in the lunch? Your plate should be served with 1 cup rice and 2 chapatis. Prefer high fiber whole grains or unrefined grains to meet the nutritional value. Pulses like 1 cup dal and include some probiotics like 1 cup curd or yogurt, half cup of cooked vegetables and half cup fresh vegetable salad if possible. This is an ideal plate for balanced diet. And non-vegetarians can add chicken breast or fish, eggs in their meal, which are good sources of protein. For vegans, beans and lentils must be added to their lunch, which are rich sources of protein and replaces the meat. Another replacement of meat for vegans is tofu, made of soya bean, low in calories but high in protein and fat. It is similar to paneer. Add chickpeas to your diet to meet protein in a balanced diet. Chia seeds replaces the fish rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids you can consume in any time. Coming to snack time, again 3 hours gap should be maintained between lunch and tea time. Healthy snacks can give anyone a boost of energy and improve mood. You can choose cookies made of oats and multigrains, gives you low calories and good nutrition. Instead of having milk tea, you can have herbal teas like lemon, honey, cinnamon, ginger and green tea, which makes you feel better. Now coming to last meal of your day, that is dinner, which should be completed at least 2 hours before you go to sleep. You can reduce having carbs at night, but you don't have to curfew or cut off carbs, because a balanced diet is all depend on quality and quantity of food you take. Have 1 or 2 chapatis with probiotics of 1 cup curd or yogurt, or else you can have buttermilk with coriander and mint leaves and cooked vegetables. If you want to reduce weight, you can make vegetable salads with tofu, cottage cheese or paneer, which keep you full with less food for longer time. And also, dinner is the best time to finish with fruits, because they are loaded with vitamins and minerals that your body can consume them for regeneration and repair of cells overnight. So that's it about balanced diet. For healthy lifestyle along with balanced diet, you need to make good choices in food habits. Then only you can reach your goal for giving nutrition to your body. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video is informative, please like and subscribe to our channel.